Ciao, Chef Marco here with Grand Western Steaks. Today we're going to be cooking a 12-ounce Duroc pork tenderloin. First, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you rub the pork evenly on all sides. Salt and pepper. This is when you want to add your pork tenderloin. And you want to get a nice hard sear on all 4 sides. The pork is nice and brown on one side, so flip over to the other. Now turn it on the other side. And you can always use the pan to help you hold the tenderloin up. Now that the pork is seared on all 4 sides, you're gonna let it sit in the pan while we prepare the rub. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil, minced garlic, fresh herbs. In the herbs, I use thyme, sage, rosemary, and parsley. Dijon mustard, and a zest from 1 lemon. Incorporate all your ingredients well. Final step before putting in the oven, you're going to place the rub on top of the pork. Take half of the rub, place on one side of the pork, and use the rest on the other. Now that we have the rub on the pork, let's place it in the oven. Now it's time to take the pork out of the oven. Make sure the pork is at 140 degrees. And next step is to let it rest for 5 minutes. Let's slice the pork. So we're gonna take our grilled asparagus, white asparagus. I took a few Granny Smith apples that I grilled. And we're gonna fan our beautiful Duroc pork tenderloin across the plate. Equal parts honey and mustard, and drizzle on the plate. And garnish with a little bit of rosemary. Time to eat.